What if money expired every year? Imagine waking up on January 1st to find that every dollar, euro, or yen in your bank account, wallet, and even under your mattress has a new label. Expires December 31st. No exceptions. If you don't spend it, burn it, or give it away by midnight on New Year's Eve, it vanishes. Poof, gone. At first, this sounds like a nightmare, but then things get interesting. The Great December Spending Spree. The first obvious effect? Nobody saves money anymore. Why would you? By November, the world would turn into a frenzied shopping mall. People would buy things they don't need: luxury yachts, solid gold toothbrushes, pet dinosaurs, if they were for sale, just to avoid losing their cash. Stock markets would swing wildly as investors dump money into anything tangible. Real estate prices would skyrocket in December, then crash in January when everyone's broke again. Governments would panic. Taxes would have to be collected and spent within the same year, meaning no long-term budgets. Infrastructure projects, either finished in 12 months or abandoned halfway. Wars would be short. No country could afford a multi-year conflict. The rise of the barter mafia. With cash constantly disappearing, people would start trading goods directly. But not just eggs for milk. This would be next-level bartering. I'll trade you my slightly used Ferrari for your lifetime supply of toilet paper. Deal. But throw in your cousin's Netflix password. A black market for non-perishable assets would emerge: gold, Bitcoin, canned beans. Anything that doesn't expire would become currency. The richest people would be those who own warehouses full of stuff, not numbers in a bank. The psychological meltdown. Humans are wired to hoard. Take that away, and chaos follows. Some people would adapt quickly, living in a constant state of spend now, think later. Others would spiral into existential dread, realizing they can't build wealth over time. Marriages would be tested. Honey, I blew our life savings on a private concert by a retired boy band. Surprise? Retirement? Forget 401ks. You'd have to work until you die, or hope your kids support you in exchange for your annual spending sprees. The unexpected upsides. Surprisingly, some things might improve. No more income inequality for long. The richest couldn't stay rich. They'd have to spend billions yearly or lose them. No debt. Banks wouldn't lend money knowing it could vanish before repayment. Eco-friendly consumption? Maybe. If people buy fewer disposable goods, since they can't save, they might invest in durable items. The final twist. Just when society adapts, someone realizes, what if we print new money on January 1st? Governments could reset the system annually, flooding the economy with fresh cash. But then inflation would go berserk. A loaf of bread could cost $1 in January and $10,000 by December. In the end, humanity would either collapse into madness or invent a new way to live without money altogether. And the biggest lesson? Maybe it's good that cash doesn't have an expiration date. But if it did, December would be one wild month.